Welcome back to another video. Today we got 5 tools that you can get with this 30% off coupon. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. Yeah, we got another Harbor Freight video. This is actually the 5th video of 5 tools you can get with this 30% off coupon. Be sure to check out my other videos. I'll see if I can link them up above. If not, just look at them at YouTube. On the search section of YouTube, just put 5 tools to get with 30% off coupon, Harbor Freight. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. We have the 30% off coupon here, as we did see it earlier on my video today. We did see this coupon, but I'm just going to repost this coupon for the people that didn't watch that video. It says on the top, it says valid 2/28/20 through 3/1/20. It says 30% off any item under $10, limit 9. So then again, you got 5 items you can get here. And then if you watch my other videos, you could get 5 more items and 5 more items that you could get. And they're all different items, by the way. They're not the same. But you could get all those. And you could get a total of 27 items. Because if you go Friday, that's 9. Saturday, that's 18. And then Sunday, that is 27. So you can get up to 27 items if you go those 3 days under $10, 30% off from Harbor Freight. So if you need to stock up for anything, this is the time. You know, there's a lot of stuff that you could get for 30% off or under $10 with 30% off. Anyways, let's get started with the first item. Yeah, the first item is one of the newer items that we've seen. Actually, most of these items are fairly new to Harbor Freight. So the first item that we have is it's a Bauer brand. It's a newer item. It's actually an item that you use for measuring. So this is a 25 feet Bauer tape measure. It's a self-locking tape measure. As you guys see, when you pull out the tape, it stays out. And when you push the button to retract, the red button that you see up there, that's the one that you use to retract the tape. So that's a nice little tape measure, actually from like a real modern tape measure, because you know the old ones are backwards, they're the other way around. But yeah, that's $8.99, so it's not the full $10, but still out of $9 you can get that 30% off from that item. And then the next item, it's going to be an item that we all need if we work on our vehicles. You know, we do oil changes, we do all kinds of stuff. And then you reach that bolt or nut that you can't reach, you know, because it's in there and you can't really. It's just a pain in the rear where you can't you know, get the ratchet in there, and because you need a universal joint. And this is one of the items that if you work on your vehicles, you're gonna need, because not necessarily the screw or the bolt, it's gonna be straight. So this is the Pittsburgh Pro 2-piece universal impact joint set. The reason why I picked impact is because it's stronger than the chrome ones. That's why I picked the impact. This is $7.99. This is a very useful item. Like I said, if you worked on vehicles, you probably know what I'm talking about. You run into that bolt, it's real hard to get to, and you need about 5 of these to get in there. You know, you pretty much do a whole circle or a whole U with the extensions there. Anyways, the next item that we have is a fairly new item. It is a Quinn brand. It's not the pliers though. It's a 10-in-1 screwdriver. Multi-bit screwdriver to be exact. Ever since the Quinn screwdrivers showed up at Harbor Freight. When I picked up the first one, I was like, you know what, these are great screwdrivers. If you guys haven't watched my video, I did do a comparison between Pittsburgh Pro and Quinn. And when I grabbed the Quins, you could feel the instant grip. You see those fins there at the bottom of the screwdriver in the handle. Well, you get a really nice grip there, and plus the tip itself, it's a real nice, good quality tip. It'll just grip in there. It'll grip on that screw, whatever you have to take off. But anyways, this is another item, and then the price is $7.99, so it's $8. It's a great item to have in the truck, especially if for emergency situations. You don't have to carry a whole big case of screwdrivers or anything. All you need is just 10 in one with different bits in there. And then the next item is pretty much an item that you can have in your toolbox or have out there. And if you got stuff that doesn't want to get wet, you want to protect, you can protect it with this item. It is a fairly new item. Actually, it's one of the newer items from Harbor Freight. All right, yeah, this case. This is a really nice case. It's actually one of the smallest cases that they have here. It's $7.99. It's weather stripped, and it does have some locking, levers there. If you guys see those black levers, and that blue is the weather stripping. So it's not water. I wouldn't say it's waterproof. I would say it's mostly like splash proof. So if you're gonna have tools or something that you don't want to get wet, get dirty, get dust, I would definitely keep them in here. If you got some electronic devices or some sensitive, screws that are gonna get obviously rust or something, I would keep everything in here. And obviously this is not the only one that they have. They have several different ones, but this is one of the ones that it's under $10, so it's $7.99. All right, the next item that we all needed. Basically, when you're working outside, when you're working under the vehicle, you're gonna get your hands dirty. You're gonna need to clean up. Shop towels, guys. A lot of shop towels. Even if you run out of toilet paper or even of just kitchen towels or naps, you can even just go to the garage, pick some of these up, and use them as emergency. Pretty much for anything, clean up anything. And these are heavy duty. These are shop towels. It says Toolbox brand shop towels, and they are $9.99. It's not the smaller roll that you see there. It's actually the bigger roll. The bigger roll goes into the plastic container. So that is that the bigger roll, that's actually $9.99. The smaller one is cheaper. You can pick that up, but obviously you're gonna want to get the bigger one because it's you're gonna want to get the most out of that 30% off coupon. But you can still pick up the smaller one if you feel that you want the smaller one. You still have 9 items to pick, so you can pick yourself 8 of those if you need so. And we got a bonus item. If you guys, what would be this video without a bonus item? So we got a 6th item that we have. This is one of the items that you can just pretty much, you would need in every toolbox. And then if you already have it, you can either store it, put it in your truck or in your car, to have it as an assisting tool. So these are the Pittsburgh 3/8 10-piece chrome socket set by Pittsburgh Pro, or they are Pittsburgh Pro, by the way. And it pretty much is a nice little set, as you guys see there. It's not the set on the side. I know there's some set, another set, the longer ones. It's not the longer ones. It's the shorter ones. It's the ones in the middle. They are $8.99. And that's a great little tool set or little kit to have in your truck or as an emergency situation. And if you need to let somebody borrow any of these, I mean, you're just gonna be out of $9, or even less, because with that 30% off. So, anyways, those are my 6. Well, actually 5 items. With my bonus, so 6 items under $10 with you could get with this 30% off coupon. Be sure to check out my other videos for the 5 items you can get with the 30% off coupon. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.